Welcome. You've arrived now at a moment of reconnection with your body, your strength, and your truth. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Let your eyes gently close, or simply lower your gaze to soften into the moment. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your belly. If this doesn't feel comfortable, move your hands wherever you feel the most supported. Now let's begin with your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm and exhale tension. You are here. You are whole. And you are safe. Now let this truth rise in your awareness. I radiate confidence and self-respect. Say it silently or let the words echo inside your chest. I radiate confidence and self-respect. This is not about ego. This is about honoring your worth, standing in your dignity, remembering your strength. You don't have to wait to feel ready. You can begin now, just as you are. Let's say it together with the breath. Inhale, I radiate confidence, and exhale, and self-respect. Again, breathe in, I radiate confidence, and breathe out, and self-respect. Let the words move through your body like truth remembered. Inhale, I radiate confidence. Exhale, and self-respect. One more time together. Inhale, I radiate confidence. And exhale, and self-respect. Now do this on your own, breathing in and out, saying the words, I radiate confidence and self-respect. Now, visualize yourself standing tall in a quiet clearing. Shoulders relaxed, chest open, feet rooted to the earth. A soft, golden warmth begins to glow from deep within your chest. With each inhale, it expands, and with each exhale, it radiates outward. This glow is your confidence. This glow is your self-respect. It doesn't shout. It doesn't push. It simply is steady and real. Feel this warmth expand through your limbs, through your spine, through your skin. You radiate it naturally, without effort. You radiate confidence and self-respect. Maybe there were times you doubted yourself, times you felt small or ashamed of who you were. But those moments do not define you. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It's showing up anyway. Self-respect is not about being perfect. It's about choosing to honor who you are. So say it again now as a declaration, not just a hope. I radiate confidence and self-respect. You don't have to earn this feeling. It already lives inside you. Let's expand into more truths. You can repeat after me or let the words land softly. I hold my head high with ease. I honor my boundaries and needs. I am proud of who I am becoming. I speak and move with respect. My confidence is quiet, powerful, and real. I trust myself deeply. I radiate confidence and self-respect. Now take one more deep, steady breath. Feel your body rooted, open, and calm. Feel the energy you've cultivated, grounded and expansive. Let these words stay with you. I radiate confidence and self-respect. Begin to return slowly. Wriggle your fingers and your toes and open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for honoring yourself today. And remember to shine your light each and every day in every way.